So, good morning everyone, and I am Lim Weiser, and now I'm to present about our SAD mini project 2. And my name is Lim Weiser, and my matrix number is 21DDT 23F1009. And the others two group members is Aaron Yang Zixiang 21DDT 23F1006, and Ivan Yansen Lee 21DDT 23F1146. And now we go to the next slide to see our table of content. So after introduction from me and my group members, now I'm to present about our table of content for our SAD mini project 2. The number one is question, second is objective and system overview, third is main page, fourth is input form 1, fifth is input form 3, and number 6 is apply design principles, number 7 is test table provided, and the last number is conclusion. And now I have to move to the first question. So after the table of content, let's move to a main question. So question below is given about prepare a mockup of the user interface design. Student can choose to design a web-based interface or Android/iOS mobile interface or a standalone system which comprises of the following interface. First, main page which apply at least three user interface guideline below. A. Create an interface that is easy to learn and use. Second, provide user with help and feedback dash icon or text. Third, create an attractive layout and design. Okay, this is the first question. And the second question is, please give two import form interface which apply 6 UI guideline below. Create an interface that is easy to learn and use. Provide user with help and feedback when entering the data. Create an attractive layout and design. Enhance the interface. Include at least 4 interface control features for each form. And then is focus on data entry screen. Apply at least 2 import masks for each form. And the last is use at least 2 types of validation rule for each form label. The control features and input must apply. And the last question is output interface for detailed summary and exception report, which apply the report. Design principles label the principle applied. So this is the whole question for our mini project 2. So let's wait to answer our first question. Objective. The goal of this project is to design the user interface for a distant education management system based on the functional decomposition diagram. It's called FDD from mini project 1. This include design a main page, 2 import form, 3 output reports, and software testing table, all following good user interface and system design principle. Second is system overview. The system allow for what? For student to register and submit assignment, lecturer to upload course material and submit grades, admin to manage registration and receive update. So let's move to another answer. So this is the last part for me, and the answer is main page and apply UI guidelines. UI is user interface. Easy to learn and use, provide feedback with a help button, and attractive clean layout with navigation. So as the middle, we can see the screenshot of the system main page. So the main page has a header with a system title, navigation link to another modulars, and a friendly welcome message. It includes a help button to give feedback to user when they are stuck. Last but not least, the design use soft color, rounded button, and spacing for clarity. Okay, so that's all from me, and now I will pass to my another group members. And thank you.
So we can see about the improve from one for the student registration. This is our UI guidelines use it. We do like very simple and clean layout. And beside that is field validations. Example, we can fill our email IC. Okay. Also, we can give some feedback via error alerts. This is improved from two for the lecture one. So if the lecturer need to upload the course, so it can fill in the lecture name, course code, upload that, and material type. For our design principle, we just need clear headings, and all reports use a simple table format with headings. So this is the student detail report, and this is for to show register students info.
Course summary report summarize upload materials. By uploading a course summary, let's say lecturer Mr. Lim in charge of ICT 101 and require PDF and the due date for assignment. Abstraction report lists student who miss assignment submission. Like let's say Farhan who missed the assignment, you send it to their Gmail. Test table provided. Unit testing individual forms, integration testing system modules together. We test each part like registration or uploading materials. Then we can check how they work together like registering. Then view grades, expected and actual outputs are compared to confirm result. UTC U, UTO1 register, you input our email. Expected will be success. Actual success and the status will be pass. UTO1 upload material, wrong code, comma, expected error message, actual will be error message as well. Integration testing table, ITO1 register plus grade. Scenario will be view after register, expected grade shown, and actual will also shown grade. ITO1 upload plus LMS, submit plus check LMS for the scenario. Expected the file will be file the file will be found. Actually the file will also be found. In conclusion, this project demonstrates a complete design for a distant education management system. Follow UI principle to create a friendly, user-friendly, attractive interface. Input forms include validation, control features, and input masks. Output reports are clean and organized. Testing tables ensure the system works correctly. Design everything using modern HTML and CSS. Thank you.